Welcome to Second Chance Garage. Okay. The guy gave me this. Yeah, it's a saw of some kind. It'll come back to me here in a minute. It's a variable speed saw. Scroll saw. And I know nothing about it. I take that back. That's a lie. I did plug it in, and the light came on, because it's got a light right here, and turn it that away. It's got switches up here. The light came on, and I did hear it try to run for about 30 seconds, and I shut it off. Okay, so I haven't done anything with it since. So I guess we'll see what happens here. I have never, like I said, ain't got a clue how it works. If it works. Okay, let's see. Here's the light. Hey, it came on. We got a light. Let there be light. Now will it run? Of course not. What the deuce? It did run. I'm telling you people, it did run. It ran for about 30 seconds. Okay. Don't know what this is for. Let's see. Let's see what we can see here. What can we see? Not much. We'll get down here. Let's see. What can we see? We can see. I have no idea what I'm doing. Wow. What is this? I don't know. Oh, whatever I did. It's a breaker switch back there. That's what we got going on. Now, interesting. I figured out it had a breaker switch. Okay. Now, what else can I figure out about it? Like, why is it tripping the breaker? Okay, keep in mind, this thing's been sitting in a shed for years and years and years and years and years. So, So, I want WD-40. The only thing I can find is PB Blaster. Last time it was the other way around. Nice. So, I guess I'll just start soaking stuff down with PB Blaster. I don't know what any of it does. Just drowned everything with PB Blaster here. Oh, looks like the thing adjusts right here. Got an adjuster knob on the front, I think, like this. Okay. We'll soak it all down with PB Blaster. Oh! It moved. Oh, it's got a hinge in the back. Ouch. Light in the face. Okay. Let's see if I can get it to move. Need a light. Stay there. Hey, look at that. She moved. Oh, great. Stupid light. Alright, my light's dying. Dying light. Okay, anyway. Now. This is loose. I'll work that a little bit more. Sticky. Sucker sticky. Give her some more of the PB Blaster. I don't know what this does, but whatever it is, it's a PB Blaster. Okay. Hey, look at that. Well, deck. Moves on it now. Working around a little bit. Give the adjuster a little more. Well, she's moving a lot better. Alright, now we just simply do what with it? I guess we'll go up here and see if I can get any PB Blaster in here, which I don't know if I can. I don't know. I think that's supposed to turn. Ooh. You don't want to turn. Oh, it might turn. Oh, it's starting to turn. I might have got some PB Blaster down in there. I get some more PB Blaster down in there. Yeah, just fill that whole thing full. Yeah, what the heck. I don't know what any of it does. Okay. He says, well, that thing felt awful tight. Maybe it's, I don't know, is that supposed to turn with it, or? Okay. I'm not sure. What I don't know what I'm doing going on here. I think it was tightened all the way down. Maybe that's why it's tripping out. Maybe it's got to have some slack in it. Let's see. Okay, let's reset the trip. Doing something. Hasn't tripped yet. Okay. I think it was too tight. Hey! How much is moving? I was gonna say, I wonder if the top's supposed to move, but when I pushed on it, it started moving. Well, okay, up under here. It's variable speed. Oh, look at that. That variable speed knob wants a little PB Blaster too. Slow. Okay. Then I wish I knew what I was doing. Okay. Power button works. All right, now give her some PV blaster all around this. And now, this is a way to break a knob off. Yeah, this ain't a good idea, but I'm gonna do her anyway. Is it turning or slipping? It's turning, actually. Yeah, turning. Look at that. Good old PV blaster coming in handy. Soak everything down. Okay. Yeah, got that working. Now, let's see if the foot thing goes. Well, apparently it did because it fell. Okay. Up and down. Yeah. Slides good. Okay, so let's turn it back on. Okay. That's all the way down. Okay, so it runs. I know nothing else about it. Oh man. Yep, I got it running. And the light works. Comes on and off. Okay. Now spray this down with PV blaster. And we'll take a rag to it. See if we can't knock some of that rust off of it. Okay. Don't know if that's helping or not, but we're doing it. Okay. Spray some on the back. Okay. Alright. Now, dripping everywhere, so I'm going to wipe off some of this. We'll just clean her up with the PV blaster on the rag here. Because I'm not sure. I'm just not sure what to think at this point. Okay, what is this thing? Oh, wait a minute. I wonder if this thing's got one of those air-proofing things on it. Like my brother's tools got some. Of course, they're more expensive than this thing is, but his has got something like that on it. But he's got good tools that he knows how to use, and I don't. So I may have to YouTube how this works. Yeah. Yeah, YouTube how this works. This I figured out snaps in there, but why this opens, I think you got to do that to get to the blade. I think you got to open this so you can get to that bar under there to get to the, put the blade in it. But I don't know for sure. All right. Little PV blaster coming in handy right here to clean this up. All right, little PV in there. Clean that up. Make it look all fancy. Yeah, make it look all fancy, sure. It's okay. Wow. All right. It had a bunch of crap in there. This, and why is this here? And why is this annoying thing popping open all the time? Looks to me like, I don't know if you can see it or not, but down in here, kind of next to the motor, there's a bunch of freaking sawdust. Yeah, that's what it was. But stop! I don't know what you want. I keep popping your gut. All right, little PD blaster will clean her up good under there. Okay, it's bolted to this board. So now since it runs, I think I'm going to take it off the board. Let me shut this off. Yeah, I think I'll take it off the board because I don't know. Maybe I can get the wood, maybe without it being on the board, maybe you can get to the wood will come out the bottom. Stop! Dang it now. Oh, you're making me mad. Okay, now I'm gonna have to fix you. I don't know what it's for, but I know what I'm tired of it. So I will just stop you from coming open every 5 seconds with the handy dandy zip ties. Breaking out the zip ties. Yep. Now, is it long enough to go all the way around? Oh, yes it is. Yeah, Big Daddy. This'll hold you shut. You clown. All right, there you go. Now, I gotta snip off excess. All right. Excess wire on the wire ties. All right. Now it ain't coming open again. Well, this close. Kind of. Kind of. Yeah, it closes. It closes. Okay, now. So, if anybody knows anything about these things, I would appreciate some comments because I don't know enough about them. Actually, my mom used to do scroll saw wood projects and she'd sell them. And she would set up a scroll saw, I hate to say this, but she had a different style one, and she would set up the scroll saw and then have me go out and cut them out. So I've jacked with scroll saws, but I've only jacked with that one scroll saw, and that was because she already had it set up, you know. All right, so now let's see if we can get this beast off the board. Did I see a Phillips screwdriver laying around here somewhere? Oh, I did. Way down here. Well, how about that? I don't know if it's got nuts on the backside. I didn't even look. Well, it seems to be coming out. Seems to be coming out. Almost. Oh yeah, hey, that one came out. I hope it don't have a whole lot of them in it. Yeah, this board is nasty. Board is nasty. Of course, it's old too, so almost looks like it's got some carpeting. It does. Ew, it's got carpeting on it. Oh, you know that's nasty. All right, so you pick it up and turn it around. It's not light. By any stretch of the imagination, it's not light. Oh, gee whiz. Come on, turn around here. All right, now, if I can get this bolt out. Then we'll see what it looks like. Then we'll see what it looks like without the board. Stranky board with the... They probably did that for some reason. I'm sure there was a reason for it. Maybe so it wouldn't vibrate around or something. Probably what they put the carpet pad on it for. But man, it's old and nasty now. It's been sitting around, so. Whew. Man. Are you ready? Here we go. It's still heavy. Great. Cockroach. Kill it. Yeah. Look at the crap. I don't know if you can see that. Look at the crap underneath that. Yeah. Luckily there's only one cockroach. It'd be gone now. Dang. That's just nasty. Nasty. Okay, so let's see what she looks like underneath now. Yeah, see the wood, looks like the wood would go under there and it couldn't come out the bottom. With that. Come on, man. Break out the brick clean. Yeah, breaking out the brick clean. Ugh. Boy, that's just nasty. Yeah, at least stuff's coming out now. Phew. Oh, let me get a straight blade screwdriver. Oh yeah, that brake clean helped a bunch. Yeah, look at that stuff just fall out of there. Bunch of wood chips, bunch of wood stuff. Yeah, it couldn't come out the bottom, couldn't clean out on that board. Poor thing. Yeah. And then it's got bunch down under here too. Because it couldn't come out. is all packed in there. Scrape all this loose. Yeah, it's got, yeah, the wood couldn't come out the bottom of it. It's trapped. Like I said, not that I know much about them, but I don't even know anything about the blades. Hate to admit it, but my mom, when she was alive, knew more than I did about these things. And she used them for crafts and all kinds of stuff. She knew all about the blades and all that, but she's been gone a while, so nothing I can do about it. But yeah, so let me hit her with some more brake clean. Nasty. I'll show you the table when I get done. Damn. I got the garage door cracked open a little bit because it's so stinky. Okay. What I should have done was laid down a cookie sheet underneath it before I did it, so all this stuff would have ran on the cookie sheet, but that's okay. Whatever. Wow, that cleaned her up a lot better. Alright, now, yeah, I cleaned that up a lot better. Better hit it with some PB blaster. Lose up a bunch of the stuff in there. Yeah, why not? Oh, and we'll just add a little oil to the mix. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, what the combination. Let me see if I can get some oil down here. Yeah, seems to be going down there. A little oil under that knob. A little bit down. A little bit on here. Squeeze. Put a little bit of oil on top here. Alright, and then we will open this up. Yeah, boy, that's a lot cleaner in there. Soak all this down with oil. Then we'll stand it up like this. Ouch! Gee whiz. Squirt some oil down in here. Yeah. Yep. Got some oil in there. Ugh. Nasty. Let me get my rag. Yeah, this is what happens when you don't know what you're doing. You're really not sure what you're doing. And then you decide, hey, I don't know what I'm doing. It'd be a good idea to make a YouTube clip. Awesome. Very awesome. Okay, so now it is looking a little denastified now. show you the table and show you what fell out from underneath it. Kaboom! Yeah, that shuts. That shuts on this side. All right. Wipe down this. Maybe I'll wipe this down with some oil. Some oil. Some oil. Stop. Yeah, she was all rusty and nasty, so we'll just wipe her down with some oil just for fun. Yeah. Just for the fun. Okay, so now it'll all tighten up. Oh, this got oil all over it. Gotta clean it off. Okay. Wipe everything down. All right. So, there it is. Now, I will have to YouTube how it works, what size blade it uses, and how to adjust this, that kind of stuff. All right, now I'll show you the table. I don't know if you can see it or not. Look at all the crap that came out from underneath it. All that was pinned underneath that piece of wood between the bottom of the machine and the wood. All right. So that was super nasty. So now let's see if it works one last time. Okay. We'll just turn it around. Then we will plug it in. Wouldn't surprise me. Turn the light on. Does the light come on? On. On. All right. That's all the way down. All the way up. About the middle. It runs. Off. The light off. Okay. Now. Okay, so. I guess I'm done with it until I can figure out what blades it uses and how to adjust everything and all that. So I'll throw it on the floor. So anyway, if you happen to watch the video and you know anything about it, I would appreciate comments in the comment section, because I don't know what blades it uses. I think that back black thing is the adjustment for it and that kind of stuff. I think that's what it is. That's because it was really tight. So then when I loosened it, then it quit tripping that breaker switch in the back. So anyway, any help you got would be great. I would appreciate the comments, especially like what kind of blades I'm supposed to use and that kind of stuff. So anyway, if you like it, subscribe. Uncle Russ, Second Chance Garage out.